My name is Tyler Miller, and today we're going to be going over the distance and midpoint formulas. Our learning targets for today are I can effectively demonstrate my understanding of the distance formula, and I can effectively demonstrate my understanding of the midpoint formula. Alright, so the distance formula is what you're going to see in the top right corner there. It actually comes from the Pythagorean theorem, so the entire formula is set up to where it mimics the same way that the Pythagorean theorem does, except rather than taking it step by step, you're doing it all at once, which is what you can see on the left down there at the bottom. In order to use this formula, you'll just take your x and y points and you'll plug and chug for the equation. And now it's time for you to get out the pencil and paper and give it a try for yourself. Go ahead and find the distance between points at -3 and 7 and 2 and -5. So when you plug in your points to the formula, this is the main equation that's going to come out to get it before you simplify it down. We're going to go ahead and we're going to do that in the next slide, but this is the first. These are the next two steps that you'll take to simplify the equation down, getting closer to our final answer. Our final answer is 13. So the midpoint formula is a formula that is used to find the middle of two sets of points, and it's actually what we're going to be going over next. So the midpoint formula actually uses averages of these 2 points to find us the perfect middle point, and once again, rather than doing it step by step, we're doing it all at once. Now it's time to give it a shot with the problem below. All you're going to do is you're going to take the points and you're going to plug and chug until you get your final 2 sets of points, and that'll be your midpoint. So this is the equation here after you plug in the different points before you simplify it down fully. The points 2 and -1/2 should be the direct middle of the 2 points that were previously provided. Now in order to step things up a little bit, we're going to take both of these different formulas we just learned and we're going to put them together, and we are going to prove that the measure of the median of a trapezoid is equal to 1/2 of the sum of the measures of the 2 bases. So right here we are just setting up the equation, naming the different sides and everything, and just creating some simple boundaries of what is parallel to what, so that we can move on. In order to find the median, they took the midpoints of the 2 sides, and then they took the top and the bottom and the median, and they used the distance formula in order to find the length of all 3 of them. Now that we know the length of these 3, we can add the 2 bases together and then divide it by 2 and see if it is equal to the length of the median, and in this case it is. So now that you guys have made it through all of that, I just wanted to say